Okay guys, this is going to be a video about adding an intercooler setup air to air to my little Kubota diesel just to try to get lower EGTs. So this is the current setup. Goes straight in off of the turbo to the intake. So what I've got is I've got the front grille removed. As you can see, it's offset, the tunnel, and I'm going to mount this intercooler in there and then run some piping. Okay guys, bringing y'all back. I've got the intercooler mounted into the grill. I had to cut both sides a little bit, trim everything to fit. And then here's our finished product. Coming off of that, which was 1.5 inches, we're going up to 2-inch piping to our air-to-air intercooler. You can see there what I had to cut out of the tunnel to get it to fit. Coming back out of the intercooler, around, and back into the intake. I'll add some pictures that I took while I had it apart in this video so that you guys could see the different stages of it. And we'll bring you back in a minute.